little something we wrote for the beautiful couple. The owl and the pussycat went to sea on a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a £5 note. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh lovely pussy, oh pussy my love, what a little beautiful pussy you are, you are, you are, what a beautiful pussy you are.
Pussy said to Owl, you elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows. And there in a wood, a piggy-wig stood, with a ring on the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring on the end of his nose.
Dear pig, are you willing to sell for £1 your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with a runcible spoon. And hand in hand, on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, the moon. They danced by the light of the moon.
To the beautiful couple, our very special friends, from the Coromandel, our love we send. We'll be thinking of you as you say I do, and raising a toast from afar. To the fun you have shared, and the kids you have reared, what a wonderful couple you are. You are, what a wonderful couple you are.